Unveiling Emotions, the art of pouring out one's soul. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a beautiful and deeply expressive phrase in the English language: pour out one's soul. This phrase is rich in emotion and imagery, and understanding it can add depth to your English communication. Let's explore what it means to truly pour out one's soul, how it's used, and why it's such a powerful expression. Pour out one's soul is a metaphorical expression used to describe the act of expressing one's deepest emotions or thoughts very openly and honestly. Imagine your soul as a vessel filled with your most intimate feelings and secrets. When you pour it out, you're sharing those innermost parts of yourself with someone else or through some form of expression. It's about being vulnerable and unreserved, allowing your true self to be seen and heard. This phrase can be used in various contexts, each bringing its own shade of meaning. Here are a few examples. In personal conversations, someone might say, "I poured out my soul to my best friend last night," meaning they shared their deepest worries or secrets. In art and literature, artists or writers often pour out their souls through their work, expressing emotions and thoughts they might not communicate otherwise. In therapy or counseling, pouring out one's soul can be a therapeutic process, where individuals open up about their feelings and experiences in a safe environment. The power of the phrase, pour out one's soul, lies not just in the act of expressing oneself, but also in the context and receptivity of the audience. It's a phrase that implies trust and intimacy, as one wouldn't pour out their soul to just anyone. The context in which someone chooses to do this can greatly impact the meaning and significance of the gesture. When using pour out one's soul, it's important to consider the situation and relationship between the people involved. It's a phrase best used when discussing deep, personal matters. Here are some tips. Be mindful of the emotional weight of the phrase. Ensure there's a strong level of trust with the person you're speaking to. Remember, it's about authenticity and honesty in expressing your true self. Pour out one's soul is a beautiful, poignant expression that captures the essence of human vulnerability and connection. We hope this video has helped you understand the depth and beauty of this phrase, enriching your English vocabulary and your ability to express your innermost thoughts and feelings. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to exploring more fascinating aspects of the English language with you.